My name's John Blowers. I work here at the Beattie Passive at the Training Academy. I'm training lead. The Beattie Passive Training Academy deals with all aspects of Passive House, including PHPP. We deal with MVHR systems, thermal values, air tightness, anything and everything to do with the construction or the planning of Passive House. This is what Beattie Passive is all about. The Training Academy is, I think, it's the most comprehensive and detailed Passive House training course that is available at the moment.
My name's Simon Madrick.
So I'm Graham Cooper.
Hi, I'm Les Evans and I work for the Wrekin Housing Trust.
Really good, really informative. John, being a subject matter expert, he is actually all that. He's very, very good at both teaching and very knowledgeable, so the training's been great.
It's very, very informative. Prior to actually coming here, I'd sort of visited the big site down at Bicester and also been over to Wales and the factory workshop there. So it's really linked in. It's showing how the two sides have come together. It's really interesting.
Very impressive. The more we do of it, the more I like it. The more I understand it and get into it, the more it's like, yeah, this is for us.
Fantastic. This system is so easy to teach young people. You can literally teach a young person very easily to build a house with this system and in little time.
I'm sort of a carpenter by trade, but I actually work on the management side of the Housing Trust now. So I'm going to be actually managing the project on site. So I'm here learning how to do it so that I can manage it on site. So it's very different than my day job, which is normally sat at the desk or working with apprentices and training various different things.
By trade, I'm a bricklayer, so this is totally opposite. So yeah. I've done a few brick round timber framed houses, but never built timber frame passive houses like this before.
Yeah, well, it's actually for ourselves. All of our BT projects are actually going to be for ourselves. We're actually going to be building 4 properties, 2 pairs of semis, on a corner plot of one of our development sites down in Wellington and Telford.
Oh, definitely. They've really looked after us down here. Free grub at lunchtime, that's always a bonus. But yeah, no, they've been very, very friendly, very helpful, very informative.
100%, yeah. It's at a nice pace. Everything's to hand, everything's well organised, got plenty of space to do stuff, so yeah, definitely, training's brilliant.
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, you know, any form of new technology, new build sort of thing, it's the way forward, and it's a really good way of, you know, bringing in sort of unskilled labour into construction, which is something we desperately need for. There's a real shortfall in trades now, and this is, you know, it's a really intelligent and well thought out way of actually designing and building properties that enables people to come in with a relatively low skill set, but train up to actually sort of build houses, which is a fantastic thing for the future.
We've just had Wrekin Housing Trust on a week in-house training at Scotto Enterprise Park for the Flying Factory. They're in partnership with March's construction scheme, which is about trying to get 400 new trainees into the construction sector. So part of Beattie Passive is about bringing in new people with low skilled labour. And so they're trying to do that in partnership with us. So they're going to go off and train their own people once they've been trained in-house by us.
Right, week 2 of training, going really well. As you can see, with John's come across, he's been working with us. We started producing the first panels. This is the first ground floor elevation. As you can see, we've now got the workshop all set up nicely. Done a lot of work in regards to processes of how we do things. Got all the saws set up, extractor units, benches and everything. So yeah, it's really going well. This week it's just been myself and Simon and Graham, the 2 other trades that are going to be working on site initially. Next week we've got 6 trainees coming on board, so it's going to be all stations go, private activity, and hopefully within sort of 2 to 3 weeks I think we're going to be having our first properties completed and ready to go on site, so really looking forward to it. It's gone really, really well. Hi there, Les Evans, project manager working for the Wrekin Housing Trust for our Beattie Passive site in Princess Avenue down in Wellington in Telford, Shropshire. This is the second week of the build. As you can see, we're coming on really well now. Doing 4 properties down here, following our training over in Norfolk. Weather hasn't been great, but we've soldiered on and we're doing really, really well. I'd like to thank John and all of his support team, Nathan and them, for everything they've done for us. And if anybody's interested on getting on the BT bandwagon, I'd highly recommend it.